This is a website I made for a law firm. It's live, it's on a real URL, and the client can be sending inquiries through it today. But this is what it looked like this morning. Some notes, some images, and a logo. Today I'm going to take you guys from this to this in one sitting with one tool. Now that tool is Relume, and they are the sponsor of today's video. Relume is a marketing website builder, and the release of Relume 2.0 is a huge deal. Over 1 million freelancers and agencies use Relume, and it's built on their component system. Now each of these components were built by a real person, and now we can build with AI and these human-made components to make websites incredibly fast that convert well. We can now publish them directly on Relume, then after we can use AI agents to continue growing after we launch. I'll show you the process of building a website with Relume Publish. So this here is the new Relume published. So what we have from the client here, these are some notes that I made on an initial meeting. Then we have a dark logo there. And then we've got this brief that they sent over. Now this is just outlining certain pages that they want and the sort of direction that they want. Then here we have a spreadsheet of some fees that the client wants to have on the website. Here we have a light version of our logo, and then we have some just images here. Now let's select this, and then let's drag these in. And then we're going to say this here: I'm building a law firm website for a client, see the attached brief, and then we'll make sure down here this is saying start from brief, and then let's run it. Now we can see in real time that Relume has taken all of the information that we've given it and it's collated it into its own sort of project brief. Now this is going to act as the sort of ongoing blueprint for our entire website, and it's going to auto update every time we give it new parameters, new features. It's going to all add it back to the project brief, so we have this centralized place to work from. We have our goals, target audience, key requirements. We can go on to generate a sitemap. And so what Relume's going to do is it's going to generate an entire sitemap based off of that initial brief, and it's going to add in initial sort of sections and get a structure down for the website. It's added in all these little sections for the homepage, but in these pages here, it hasn't added in any. So we can say add in sections for the about, services, and contact pages, make them appropriate for what would be expected and what was outlined in the brief. And then in real time, we can see them get added in there. Now it's exactly what you would expect on an about page. Now this will make a lot more sense once we jump into the wireframe, so let's do that up here top right. Relume is going to generate appropriate wireframes for all these different sections, components across all of our entire 4 pages. So our homepage wireframe is now in, and this is what it's just done for us initially, and you can see that it's got all the right sort of sections you would expect on a homepage for a website like this. So we have a services section, we have a process, case studies, and then a final CTA section. And if we go down here, you can see that it's fully responsive. Now this is just a wireframe at this stage, but this is the stage that you really want to start thinking about the user journey. Now I want to add a section into here that we don't currently have. So we can go over here to insert, and then we'll go on credibility list. I want to have like some kind of logo list just going across here. So yeah, something like this, and we can just drag this into here on our homepage. So that's going to sit under our hero. Maybe for our header or navigation, we might want to do something like this, like have like a sort of floating one, and we can go up here to preview it just at any time. And obviously it's just a wireframe, but you can see like the new like section that we added in here, and you can really get an idea how the flow of the website should work. I'm going to spend a little bit of time restructuring the wireframe. This is a step you don't want to skip, because the structure and flow of your website is just as important, if not more important, than how it actually looks. So we scroll down, and then there's this sort of about section. Then we get down, and then there's this sort of section about what the business actually does, what they offer. And then like their sort of results here, like why choose this company, and then like a process section, testimonial sections. We get down here into an FAQ, and then here we have our sort of final CTA and then our footer. I'm pretty happy with this flow that we have for the homepage. So now it's time to focus on the about, services, and contact page. And to do that, I'm going to use the agent. So I can just go up here and I can say generate me wireframes for the about, services, and contact page. What I love about this too is like if we zoom in here where we can see like our team section, it's like pre-filling in like team members based on what we actually have in the brief. So if we go back here to our brief and we go down here to our brand of visual direction, so this was one of the documents that we supplied, we can see that the kickoff call was with Eleanor Voss, who's one of the managing partners. And because it already has access to that brief, it's like working from this brief, it's already like pre-filled in that. So you can see how useful this can be. So not only are we generating wireframes for like structure, we're also getting our actual content directly brought over into it. And it's just a really smart system. Okay, so here's our other section. So let's just rework this a little bit. I want to have this one higher up here, and then I would definitely want to have our contact form higher up too. So let's move that up. Okay, so I'm liking the flow and structure of everything. Let's click on generate design. So we have very little in terms of brief for the specific design and style. We don't have a current like design system in place. So what Relume is going to do is going to create a design system for us so everything will stay consistent across our entire site. Now we can see it introducing some of these typography decisions and adding in some color for our sections too. I quite like the font that it's chosen for this, but we could try out some different ones. We could try out Inter, you know, maybe we want to go like a lighter weight. Now for this section, I'm not a big fan of that sort of background, so we could just change it like this. Let's actually make that white. Okay, so I've made some changes and this is what we've got so far. Now I'm liking how this is looking and how this is flowing down the page. Now I'm going to take all these images that we have and I'm going to add these into Relume here. And so if we click on our hero here, we can go over to site and then we can expand down our hero where we can see our different layers that make up that section. And then here we can see our image, but we're going to replace this with that one we just added. We're going to replace it with this image here. And instantly the contrast of that is sitting a lot nicer. We'll replace this image as well with one of our own. Now I want to make some quick changes to the other pages, so I'm going to actually ask the agent. We're going to say make the page headers on the about, services and contact pages less boxed in. I don't want the button in there, this section here, and we can get the agent just to kind of do that across each of the pages for us. Building like this in Relume is so fast for getting a website together, and the design of all the other pages is looking really good too. And then this is normally the point where Relume you'd want to send it over to another tool to publish it, but now with Relume Publish, you can now see we have a little button up here to publish this directly from Relume. So let's click that. Here we could add a custom domain name, so this would be like halcyon.com, but we're just going to go with Relume's own one just so we can preview this, and we'll go down here to continue. Here we could upload a fav icon, so I'll add one of them. Here we can change our social sharing image, and then here we can change things like our page titles and descriptions. And then if we press continue, Relume is going to do a little site health check, but we can quickly just fix these issues with the agent. And we can see that on the left, it's going to fix some of these links that weren't set up correctly. Then once we're happy with everything, we can click publish. And just like that, our website is now being pushed live and you can see our site score is all in the green, which is exactly what we want. So let's check out our site. Now this is our final site here. Now I think this is looking really good. It's not trying to be anything over the top and too flashy. This is for a real working business, which needs to get potential customers the right sort of information. And you can see all these components are fully working, and across all the different pages, our design is looking clean and consistent. And exactly how it was even at our wireframe stage, everything is fully responsive too, so we don't need to spend any time tweaking things there. It already looks really good. So we now have our live finished website built and hosted on Relume. Now giving the client access to this is as easy as this. We go up here to share, we put in the client's email, and then we can sign them as either a viewer or an editor. Now where I think Relume Publish actually really shines is with their AI agents and how they can improve your website even after you've launched. So we can see up here we have a copywriter, we have a strategist, we have a designer, and we have an analyst. So let's click on copywriter. So we could say this: review the copy of the site and offer suggestions in line with our initial brief's goals. Because you can see down here, our AI agents are working directly from this brief that we set up in the beginning. So we'll send this. So this only took about a minute or so, but it says for the most part the copy is looking pretty good, but it's offered some key suggestions, and we can see these on the canvas. It's added a little sort of comment here. Let's just say fix these on the site. Now we can also click up here to analytics, and this is where it gets really interesting because the customers that come to our website will be tracked by the analytics, and we can then feed that data back to our AI agents, to our strategist, to our analyst, and they're going to use the analytics to help give us suggestions about how to convert people more on the website. Once we're happy with those changes, pushing them live is as simple as clicking publish up here. For marketing websites like this for real business, Relume is incredibly powerful. Starting from initial notes and assets, you can create a brief, and you can build everything from sitemaps, wireframes, design, and publishing, all within Relume. Work with the AI agents or just tweak it manually. This is a really exciting update from Relume, so if you want to check it out for free, there's a link in the description and you guys can try it out. I hope you guys liked today's video. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video.